Google just released a new speech generation technology that is very realistic. So basically, this is text-to-speech technology that lets you convert text into audio, and the result is pretty convincing. Let me show you a few examples. So this is a conversation in a movie scene. I'm going to play this audio, and remember, this was created by AI.
Chloe, look at this! The Eiffel Tower lights up every hour at night. We have to see it from the Trocadero and then race to a Bateau Mouche with a river view. It's going to be epic!
I saw that, Liam. It does sound spectacular. A real Parisian icon, known for its dazzling beauty and romantic atmosphere.
Okay, that was one. There's also another one. This is in a podcast environment. Let me play the audio.
We're seeing a noticeable shift in consumer preferences across several sectors. What seems to be driving this change?
It appears to be a combination of factors, including greater awareness of sustainability issues and a growing demand for personalized experiences.
So these are created using the new speech generation from Google, and of course you can access this tool completely for free. So first, let's go to aistudio.google.com. This is the website that lets you try various tools from Google without paying anything. And after that, navigate to generate audio and then click Gemini speech generation. So here you want to navigate to multi-speaker audio because there is also another mode called single speaker audio where there's only one person talking, but for this video I'll try to create a conversation. So select multi-speaker audio, and I'm going to remove the sample. I'm going to just press backspace on my keyboard to delete that text, and I'm going to use this conversation that I created using Perplexity AI. But first, let me name the people that will be involved in the conversation. So the speaker one is going to be called Alex, and the voice is going to be male. So let me try maybe Sharon.
What do you want to explore?
Okay, Sharon or Sharon, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but that's definitely a male audio. And speaker 2 is going to be Jamie. And the voice is going to be, let's try...
What kind of masterpiece are we aiming for?
Okay, I'm quite happy with that. And after that, I'm going to provide some instruction about the style of the audio. So basically, you want to provide some info about what's going on the scene, so AI will better understand how these voices should sound. And I'm going to make the audio in the situation like they were panicking. Okay, and now you can start adding some dialogue. Let's click this button, and I'm going to copy the first dialogue, which is from Alex. Just copy and paste and add another dialogue, and this one is for Jamie. Let's copy the text again. Don't worry, I'm not going to copy all of them. I'm going to just show you a few examples, and maybe this one. All right, let's paste that again. And lastly is for Jamie. All right. And after that, you can select the model. Right now there is Gemini 2.5 Flash, and there is also 2.5 Pro. The best model is of course the Pro version, but from my testing, I think Flash is a lot better when it comes to speed, and the quality is not much different than Pro. So if you want to get the result very quickly, then I do recommend to use Flash. But if you prefer the quality, then go with the Pro version. But anyway, after that, you can select the model setting. This is just the temperature setting, which is how close the AI must be to the instruction that you have provided. But in this case, I'm going to be using the default setting. And when you're done with all the settings and also the dialogue, just click the run button and let AI to generate a speech for the two people in this conversation. And since I'm using the Flash model, it is going to be a lot faster.
The rain's coming down even harder. I can barely see the road anymore.
I told you we should have taken the main highway. Why did we have to try the shortcut?
I know. I thought we'd save time. I didn't expect the car to just die out here.
My phone's dead. Do you have any battery left?
All right, that's really amazing. Now, there's another thing that you can do. You can actually change the accent of the people. So I'm going to switch to Scottish accent. And I'm going to run the generation again. And you'll see that these people are going to be using the Scottish accent, and there are so many other accents you can use, but this is just one example.
The rain's coming down even harder. I can barely see the road anymore.
I told you we should have taken the main highway. Why did we have to try this shortcut?
I know. I thought we'd save time. I didn't expect the car to just die out here.
My phone's dead. Do you have any battery left?
Alright, that's pretty amazing. Now, if you want to download the audio, you can click on this three dots icon and then click download, and you will get the audio file on your computer. So that's basically how you can use the multi-speaker audio in Google AI Studio. So I think this is really amazing, and in many ways it's way better than Eleven Labs, and of course you can use it completely for free. And yeah, I guess that's basically it. If you find this tutorial to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel if you want to get more amazing AI tutorials in the future. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.